Hi, boys and girls. Today you're going to retell a story. Using the puzzle pieces, you're going to put them in order, starting with the beginning, the middle, and the end. They're all mixed up in my picture, so listen carefully to figure out how to put them in order. Sophie is a farmer. She gets in her yellow tractor in the morning. After working in the fields, she has to put hay in the wheelbarrow. She feeds the horses the hay. Before Sophie is done, she puts the horses in the barn. Can you retell the story? Put the pictures in order and send a picture to your teacher. You can listen to this video again if you'd like to hear the story told again.